Hi, this is custom-made bezel for vintage G-Shock models DW-8700. Okay, it was made from flexible resin. Since Casio no longer produce this kind of bezel, this is an initiative by Zastor to save vintage G-Shock. So this bezel can be installed to your vintage G-Shock, okay, for DW-8700 models, and it easily can be installed because it is flexible. See, flexible, and it's come with the lettering here. All the lettering same as original one, and you can put some color to this lettering by using pen marker or acrylic paint or crayon. Next video I will show you on how to do the marking or lettering. Okay, if you have DW-8700 model and its bezel already cracked, you can get this replacement bezel, custom replacement bezel from the store. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Bye.